Live from the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Today on MultiGP News, pilots from the Southeast region currently hard at work as they prep up for the very first regional qualifier in the country. Plus, preparations underway for one of the hottest events in the Bayou State, and this one involves some sizzling team racing you don't want to miss. Also, the World Cup track gained quite a bit of popularity at the International Open last year after these two pilots went head-to-head to earn the winning title. And now, for the very first time, watch this never-before-seen recap of the most talked-about race of 2017. All this and much more coming up on MultiGP News.
It's the Steel National Championship Air Races presented by Reno Tahoe.
There's another fast competition going on at this event. It's called the MultiGP Drone Racing Championship. Now, this consists of 150 of the best pilots from all over the nation, qualified from over 700 regional races. Now, these competitors will battle over 3 days in bracketed competition, and that will take them down to the final 4 pilots. Those final 4 pilots will fly in the final race to see who is the champion. This is the largest FPV, or first-person view, drone racing series in the world, where they're reaching speeds of up to 100 miles an hour. We'll keep our eyes on this series all week long, definitely.
Welcome back, everyone. Here are your top stories this week on the MultiGP Rundown. The Mayhem team event is back for a second year in a row. Later this month, Acadiana FPV will host a 2-day event deep in the Louisiana Bayou. Backed by popular demand, the Mayhem team event officially takes off in the Bayou State Saturday, April 21st to Sunday, April 22nd. Acadiana FPV will organize the big event, which already has up to 50 participants registered to race, some traveling as far as Texas and Tennessee to compete. A big thank you to Team Black Sheep, our main sponsor, who made this entire event possible. Other sponsors include Emax, Max Amps, Two Dog RC, and Big Boy Toys. Individual races kick off all day Saturday, followed by the infamous team races on Sunday. 8 teams of 5 will race 200 laps non-stop. Each team will get 4 15-minute practice rounds as well, giving pilots lots of stick time. The fast and fun track will be equipped with all MultiGP elevated big gates. Mayhem 2.0 is all about more stick time and less waiting around. The top pilots in the race will be awarded with FPV gear from our sponsors. You still have time to register. Visit multigp.com and sign up for Mayhem 2.0 today. As we move into the 2018 Regional Series, we'll update you on the standings, highlights, and the top pilots moving up in the rankings right here on MultiGP News. The very first regional qualifier takes flight this Saturday in the southeast region of the country. Central Mississippi drone racers will host the first qualifier in Brandon, Mississippi this Saturday, April 7th, followed by the second regional qualifier hosted by Columbus Multi-Rotor Club in Columbus, Georgia on Sunday, April 8th. The next regional qualifiers will go down in Livermore, California on Saturday, April 14th, followed by Jacksonville, Florida on Sunday, April 15th. Check out the regional qualifier schedule. Visit multigp.com, click on the Championship tab, and select the 2018 regional qualifier schedule. Also, it's now easier than ever to set up your chapter's qualifier race thanks to Racing's latest feature. Just log on to multigp.com, proceed to your MultiGP chapter's homepage, click the Add Event button, and select Create a Regional Qualifier. Last year's International Open was a big success. Pilots from all over the world came together to fly and compete on 8 different tracks spread across 1,200 acres of FPV heaven. The World Cup track quickly gained popularity among pilots after one of the most memorable matchups went down between Texas native Mark McGatt-Bramer and Aussie pilot Thomas BMS Thomas Bidmata last year. Now, for the very first time, watch the exclusive recap of that very race right here on MultiGP News. Take a look.
wings and drones, and so far it's been the most amazing event I've ever been to. This has been incredible. It's like I'm in a dream, you know?
Dude, I'm having a blast. I forgot that I even have a job.
It is a beautiful weekend. Everyone's flying fast out here. Everyone's having an awesome time. Again, living the dream.
Alright, so here we are. We are in Muncie, Indiana at the craziest drone race we've ever attempted. MultiGP is throwing its International Open, 8 tracks with over 300 pilots. Right now we're halfway through the World Cup and there are so many pilots, it's unbelievable, and right now anybody could win this.
I have flown every track except for the World Cup track because every fast person on Earth flying there, I mean, they're just having an awesome time.
I wasn't prepared for the level of pilot I'm up against. So my tech racer's out here running, and it can maneuver the track, but I didn't bring enough pilot.
All right, we're about to start heat 11. This is the loser's bracket, so it's go big or go home.
Me and this guy mid-aired right off the bat.
No, we're done. We're done. Yeah. We're out. That was it. That crash was it for us. That's it.
We're going to go to the guy who took a 21-hour flight. He's your second youngest to run. He is the fastest from the land down under. Say hello to Thomas Ben Mata. It is the one and only BMS Thomas. Pilots, arm your quads. There we go, underway, off to the races. The top 3 is what you need to be. The first one through our TBS start finish gate was NV Astro, race band number 7, coming in hot out of that consolation bracket, leading the field, but everyone in that hurdle section and about to make the turn into the, oh no, he gets loosey-goosey and lands.
Just trying to get used to the night flying. He's not used to it. So, touch wood. He's had a few runs. Hopefully it can work out.
No, we got some of the fastest pilots in the world, and these guys are getting serious right now. Everything's on the line. Pride, props, money, everything. So, let's do it, man. We got to get it going.
Arm your quads. Let's let her rip on the tone in less than 5. Here we go. I'm excited right now. Everyone in monitors, around monitors, inside of our flight line as we rock out. McGapp is, I think, your leader. No, we're going to look up the top. BMS Thomas is pushing himself up. Now we're in process of elimination. That is going to be Young Rock's son. He is shaking, and maybe he can power out of it. I don't know. It does not look so good. There goes Jared. BMS Thomas coming around as McGapp is the number 2 spot. Still with another couple of laps to go. BMS Thomas with about a 3-second lead with 2 laps to go. We got McGapp up in front. As we know, that is actually, we got Jared back up in the air. That messed me up a little bit. Let's go through the, yeah, look at this. He's back up, guys. We still have another lap and a bit. Now McGapp is your leader for sure. Around onto the final lap, but BMS Thomas actually was ahead of him by 0.2 of a second. It literally is coming down to this final one to see who's getting on the lead. Look at the hurdle section. It's in stereo right now. BMS Thomas is leading. There we are. McGapp has got him in his sights right here. McGapp is trying to push up. McGapp is your leader here, but they still have the dive gate section. McGapp with a better line like this. Oh no, Thomas is trying to push for it. This is anyone's game. Thomas is now leading ahead of McGapp. Let's get around to that gate. BMS Thomas is your winner!
I'm in complete shock. I just can't believe that I made it through so many epic races. It was literally anyone's game. That last race was so intense. I'd never experienced a race like that before, and I mean, it's everyone's victory. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone.
Due to the high demand of last year's World Cup track, MultiGP is planning a second World Cup track at the 2018 MultiGP International Open this August. Sponsorship opportunities are still available. Sponsors, don't miss out. To learn more, email sales@multigp.com. And if you missed it, this is a reminder to take advantage of discounted early bird tickets available now. Visit multigp.io and grab your discounted tickets to the 2018 MultiGP International Open. That's all the time we have for this episode of MultiGP News. Remember, we're looking for MultiGP media ambassadors to join our team. Writers, videographers, photogs. Apply in 2 easy steps. To learn more, visit our website at multigp.com and click on the League Info tab. Also, catch glimpses of the drone racing action at the 2017 National Championships during the Reno Championship Air Races. The upcoming episode is We Have a Race and airs this Sunday, April 8th at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on NBC Sports. Finally, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Maynade, reporting for MultiGP News. If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.